All right, now that we have our sketch completed, let's turn this thing into a solid model, which is what we want to do. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go up here to Features, and I'm going to click Features, and you can see that my above menu bar changed, and I've got just some limited options. And the options that are grayed out up there means that they don't apply to the sketch that I have. And so it says I can revolve this. For sweeping, I would need another path, and we don't have that. And so really what we want to do is this extrude boss or a base. And so I click on that, and it immediately tries to kind of give us an idea of what that shape is going to look like. And I can move it around. I'm holding my mouse button down. And I also have this handle here where if I click on this and hold it, I can drag that out to the side. I can drag it out this way and kind of get an idea of what that length is going to be. And so I've got this thing kind of turned around here, and sometimes it's hard to get it back where you want. And that's where we can use up here in the heads up toolbar is if I click on the view orientation, I'm just going to click on this front, and it goes right back to how we created it. Now I can just put it a little off, and I get the whole model. Well, over here, if I look, and I've got some options here, and this is how we're going to extrude it. I can either do blind, which is going to be a specific width in one direction. I can go up to a vertex or a surface, which means if I have another surface, it'll take it up to that and merge with it. I can do offset from say a previous surface that we'd created up to a body, or I can do mid-plane, which means it's going to extrude it from our sketch. It's going to extrude it equally in two directions, both ways. All right. Well, this one we're just going to do blind. And we want 6 millimeters. Type in 6. Hit OK. You get an idea what it's going to look like. And when I hit the green check mark to accept it, there is our first part. And so we've now created our first solid model. As you see, if I hold my center mouse button or my wheel down, I can turn this. I can look at it in any direction. And that's really one of the wonders of SolidWorks is once I've created something in here, I can look at it from any direction that I want. And it really makes the manufacturing process go a lot better. All right, so you can save this, save it somewhere where you can find it. One of the things I suggest is on your computer you create folders for each week, and you save your drawings or your sketches in each folder, and then it makes it really easy to find. But you can do whatever you want, and then you're going to hand this in, or you're going to submit this file to the place that I showed you early on in these video series. So congratulations, you got your first drawing done. And before I end the video, I just want to draw your attention to page 55 in the book. And you can go over this and just, kind of be familiar with this. It's just a really good, simple list of things to keep in mind while you are creating sketches and kind of the design intent. And it's just it's a really short list, but it does... they are important, and it definitely makes it can make your sketches go a lot better. So just wanted to draw your attention to that, and we will pick this up with the next lesson.